Welcome back to Motion Time. Today, we're gonna talk about the motion path behavior in motion. Motion path behavior can be found here on the behaviors, basic motion, motion path. Alternatively, you can go to the library, behaviors, basic motion, and motion path. So let's apply motion path behavior to our circle. So this is the default settings available for us. We have the path shape, shape type, direction up to control points. So currently, our motion path extends out of the canvas. We can adjust the control points manually or adjusting the control points here. So let's adjust the control points using the controls here. So our motion path is this: the starting position and end position. Also, once you apply the motion path will take up the length of the layer, just like in our example. Now let's look at the different properties available for us to change. So path shape, open spline, which is this. You can add points here on the open spline. So currently we have the Bezier and we have also B-spline. So the difference between the Bezier and the B-spline is that the B-spline creates a smooth curve for us. So direction forward, which is the default, and we have the reverse. It will start from the end position going back to the initial position. Speed, so we have different options here from constant to custom. So apply speed once per loop. So our speed is constant, so apply speed once per loop. It will constantly move within this motion path length. So loop, how many loop do we want our layer to move on this open spline? So currently we only have one. Let's return back to the direction forward. So we only have one. It will move one time only. Then let's change this to 2. So you notice that it looped twice on our motion path. So we have this end condition which will repeat our loop. You can change that to ping pong. So let's look at it. Okay, so pretty interesting. Let's go back to default, which is repeat, and the loop to 1. So path shape, we have open spline and closed spline, which is almost like a circle. Then we have the circle, which has a radius, unlike the closed spline earlier. So you can adjust this radius any size you want and adjust your offset where is the initial position of your layer. So rectangle, wave, and geometry. So geometry, you can add custom shape. Let's add a custom shape. Let's find something in the library. Let's add a club suit. Let's outline. Put in the source the club suit. So you can see that our shape is now following the club suit shape. So you can adjust also the offset. So if you select geometry, you will be presented with attached shape. So if you unclick that or deselect, your layer will stay on its position, unlike the attached shape, which will attach where the club suit is. Just like this, if you if you move the club suit around the layer where the motion path is attached to, it will move around. So that's it, how to use the motion path behavior in motion. So it's very easy, and I hope that you will use this in your projects. Thank you, and see you again next time.